In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of renewing your Hostinger domain in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing one domain or multiple, keeping them up to date is essential to avoid interruptions to your website and ensure your online presence remains secure. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to hostinger.com. Once the website loads, you'll be on the homepage, which offers information about their hosting services and tools. Look towards the top right corner to find the login button. Click on it to access the login page. Enter your account credentials, your email, and password. Logging in gives you access to your hPanel, Hostinger's control panel, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting account, including domains. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, locate the domain section in your hPanel. Click on it to open your domain management options. From here, select Domain Portfolio. This page lists all the domains registered under your account, allowing you to manage them individually. If you have multiple domains, use the search bar to quickly locate the one you want to renew. After selecting your domain, you'll be presented with details and options specific to that domain. Look for the Renew button, which is usually highlighted for easy identification. Click on it to start the renewal process. Next, you'll see options for the renewal period. Hostinger allows you to choose the duration from 1 year to multiple years, depending on your preference and budget. Longer renewal periods can provide peace of mind and reduce the risk of accidentally letting a domain expire. It's also a good idea to check if your domain is eligible for discounts on multi-year renewals. Once you've selected the renewal duration, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm the transaction. After successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email from Hostinger. This verifies that your domain renewal has been processed and is now active. For added convenience, consider enabling auto-renew for your domain. This feature automatically renews your domain before it expires, eliminating the risk of downtime or lost registration. Make sure your payment method is up to date if you decide to use this option. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully renewed your Hostinger domain. Keeping your domain registration current ensures your website stays live and accessible without interruptions. Regularly monitoring your renewal dates and enabling reminders can also help you manage multiple domains efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips to make managing your hosting and domains effortless.